The Sound of Birds at Noon by Dahlia Ravikovitch. This poem reflects on the ordinary beauty and serenity of life, using the sounds of birds as a metaphor for fleeting moments of peace amidst life's complexities. This poem reflects the fragility of nature and the fleeting beauty of life. It invites us to pause and appreciate the quiet, ordinary moments around us. The lesson I've learned is that there is beauty in stillness and simplicity. Life's smallest details can hold profound meaning if we take time to notice them. The poem explores the fragility of existence and the fleeting nature of happiness. The birds' voices symbolize freedom, juxtaposed with the burden of human sorrow. Ravikovitch masterfully captures the tension between hope and despair, reflecting psychological struggles. Her imagery resonates with the emotional depth of yearning for peace amidst chaos.